Hi, my name is Chantel C with the AtHome Experience, and thank you for joining me for this Reflexology Minute. Today we're going to talk about indigestion and what you could do from a reflexology perspective. So if you've eaten the wrong thing, maybe you've eaten too fast or too much or something too spicy, and you have that burning sensation in your gut or a pain in your abdomen or just feel really, really full, there are 4 points that I suggest doing in both palms. So one of them is the stomach reflexology point. It's on the left side of the body, so it's going to be in the left palm, and that's going to occupy this mid region here. After that, you're going to do the small and large intestines, which are at the base of both palms, right here and here. Then the diaphragm reflex, and that's underneath all the metacarpal heads on both palms. You can also add the adrenal gland reflexology point if you like, which is at the center of the thenar eminence. Press in and relax on both sides. Those points, if you press them for approximately 5 minutes, they can really, really help the pain subside. I hope it helps. Until next time.